Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the most colorful corner of YouTube where your favorite cartoon friends come to life with pencils, colors, and tons of laughter. If you enjoy fun characters like Tom and Jerry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help this channel grow and bring you even more amazing drawing adventures. Today we're drawing and coloring the funniest duo in cartoon history. Jerry, the clever little mouse with his colorful umbrella, and Tom, the cool cat dancing to the beat with his big red boombox. So grab your markers, sharpen your pencils, and let's fill our pages with bright colors, funny expressions, and the joyful chaos of Tom and Jerry's world. We begin with Jerry, the adorable little mouse who's always full of clever tricks and big smiles, even when the rain starts to pour. We carefully sketch his round face, big ears, and cheerful eyes that sparkle with mischief as he holds tightly to his umbrella.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
We sprinkle tiny raindrops all around, giving the scene that playful rainy day feeling, as if Jerry is dancing in the storm. Bodies splashing in puddles, adding the umbrella's curved handle and wide canopy above him. His tummy and inner ears are shaded in a lighter cream color to make him look even cuter and more lively. The raindrops are colored light blue with reflections, making the whole scene look fresh, cheerful, and full of fun energy. Coloring Jerry's fur in warm brown, giving him his classic soft and friendly look that everyone loves. The umbrella bursts with colors: bright pink, yellow, green, and purple, making it shine like a rainbow in the rain. Now we move to the next drawing, where Tom and Jerry are ready for a musical party full of rhythm and fun. We begin with Tom, sketching his wide grin, cool hairstyle, and confident pose as he dances next to his red boombox. Then we add Jerry, standing on top of the boombox, looking excited and matching Tom's dance moves with his tiny sneakers. To complete the scene, we draw musical notes floating all around them, showing that this is a moment filled with fun, music, and friendship. His clothes are shaded with purple, yellow, and orange, adding a burst of color that matches the happy beat of the music. We color Tom's fur in soft blue and gray shades, giving him that stylish and cool modern look that makes him stand out on the page. Jerry's outfit is filled with green and pink tones, giving him a funky vibe that perfectly fits their fun dance scene. Finally, the boombox glows in bright red and blue, while the golden music notes around them make the whole picture feel alive and full of energy. And that's the end of today's fun and colorful adventure here on Zoonitoons, where Tom and Jerry turned our page into a mix of music, laughter, and rainbows. From Jerry's rainy umbrella moment to the dance party with Tom and the boombox, every drawing was packed with joy and color. The mix of browns, blues, reds, and purples made the artwork shine just like the classic cartoon moments we all love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zoonitoons for more drawing and coloring fun with your favorite characters, where imagination never stops.